this in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I transform this hair, like how I divine the coils authentic hair. If you have been following my channel, you will have seen how I make this hair with braiding hair. So you can, I'll put the video in the description box so you guys can check it out. So this is Kenny Debbie, and if this is your first time of coming by my channel, you're welcome. It's been a long time, family. We are now 1K family. We are over 1K subscribers. I really want to appreciate you guys. It's been a long time here. So let's go straight to the video. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So guys, this is the hair. It's been a long time. I've been busy with school and everything, so I have to just package this hair at once. I haven't installed the hair. So today I saw a lot of people giving coils to their braiding hair, so I want to try this out. So this is the hair. This is the 360 of the hair, and these are the equipment I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. So let's go straight. I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. So you're just going to be mixing it in water with water. So after mixing it thoroughly, you're going to just start spraying it into the hair so that the hair will look more sick. I've straightened the hair in my first video, so I can't straighten it again. You know, it's a braiding hair, so it won't spoil the texture of the hair. So I just have to put the water. But I noticed something while I was rolling it. So this is the hair after I've parted the hair. You can see how the back is looking like. So I just have to just straighten the hair, look, and use my bending roller. So the only thing I'm going to be using to do this here is a bending roller. So you can see how I'm rolling it. So I think we should all know how to use our bending rollers. So this is it. And if you know you don't know how to use a bending roller, maybe I should make a short video on how to use your bending roller. So this is actually how you use your bending rollers. Then you start rolling it. So start rolling it. That's the only thing I make use of. Then after rolling, so this is how it's looking like. So this is how it's looking like. So guys, for once again, I really want to thank you guys, my subscriber. Thanks you for the family. We are yet to monetize because of the watch hour issue, but I know we are getting there. So guys, you can give this video a thumbs up, help me to like, and help me to share this video. So this is how the hair is looking like. So I'm actually going to be using my bending rollers to bend the hair. You can see how I'm doing it. So you tried it, then I'm going to be rolling it. So I roll it, and this is the final look. This is how it's looking like after rolling it.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not.
So guys, after rolling, so I have to just put hot water, then my conditioner. So this is my conditioner. So you guys need to be generous with your conditioner. Then after putting your conditioner, you're going to dip the hair into the hot water. You can see how it's looking like. So you dip the hair inside the hot water. Make sure you dip it very well. Don't be stingy like me. The water is so small, but it later comes out nice. So you soak the hair into the water very well. Make sure you are generous with your conditioner. So you soak it very well. Then after that you sun dry the hair. So guys, this is how the hair is looking like after I think I because I've been busy. So this hair use like 5 days before I remove it, but you're supposed to use maybe 3 days. The hair will have. So I just want to remove the bending rollers now. So guys, you should wait for the result. So I'm just trying to be careful while removing the hair because my bending rollers are not too much, so I just have to manage it. You understand? So the hair is kind of big, you understand? So see how I'm removing my bending rollers. You see, when you are removing your bending roller, make sure you are coiling it back. If you just remove it like that, the coils will not bounce back. I hope you get what I'm saying. So you see how the hair is looking like. See how the hair is looking like. So this is how the hair is looking like. You sorry you cannot see the full length for now because my tripod stand has given me a lot of problem, and by my background, these are the things that are not really allowing me to make videos these days. So guys, this is it. This is, you can see how beautiful it's looking like after removing. So I'm going to be removing the rest, and you should see the result, the aftermath result of the hair.
Keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. I roll a flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be
So guys, this is the final look of the hair, and this is how I've slayed this hair. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I love you guys. Help me to like and help me to subscribe. So guys, if you feel like you need any videos, maybe on ventilation, you need any video you want me to make videos on, just put it down in the comment section and I'm going to do that right away. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.